Holly with Boom at InfoComm 2025, and I'm going to show you a couple of our Zoom Room kits. Now, all of the Zoom Room kits are built around our Boom Capo, which has support for up to 3 total screens, and include our Boom Vista touchscreen room controller. For large room options, we have our Boom Magna Pro camera, which has 4K, 12x optical zoom, 15x digital zoom, excellent quality image, and really great for those large meeting spaces, and is also paired with our Gemini wireless speakerphone combo here. 8 total mics are wireless, great coverage for a large meeting room table where you don't want to have the trouble of running cables everywhere. And then we also have, for medium rooms, our Halo expandable video bar. So in this kit, it includes the Halo 4K auto framing speaker tracking video bar with a couple of expansion mics for that tabletop, where you can also have a dedicated mute button, which is sometimes nice. For smaller room setups, we have our Uno video bar, vertical video bar, 120-degree HD camera, microphone on top, speaker here. Also comes in white. So if you want to learn more about our Zoom Room kits or any of our other products, take a look at our website at boom.co, boom.co.